Welcome everyone to ECM 273, National Electrical Code Interpretation. I'd like to go over your midterm exam. Question A, give 3 examples of electrical conductors: copper, aluminum, and brass. Question B, who publishes the National Electrical Code? NFPA, the National Fire Protection Association. Question C, a number 12 bare copper wire is attached to a pull box. Would this be a grounding or a bonding function? This would be a bonding function, and we will talk about this in depth when we get into Article 250, but for now, think of whenever we tie metal to metal together, that's a bonding function. Whenever you tie something to the earth, that would be a grounding function. Question D. What code cycle is Pennsylvania currently on? Pennsylvania is currently on the 2014 code cycle. Question E, what code article applies to concealed knob and tube wiring? That would be Article 394. Question F, what code article applies to fire pumps? That would be Article 695. Question G, what code article applies to aircraft hangars? That would be Article 513. Question H, generators would be in what chapter of the NEC? That would be Chapter 4 material. Question I, industrial machinery would be in what chapter of the NEC? That would be Chapter 6 material. Question J, fire alarm systems would be in what chapter of the NEC? That would be Chapter 7 material. Question K, the home in which you live would be classified as a dwelling unit by the National Electrical Code. Question L, an electric heat load is on for approximately 4 hours a day. What type of load is this? This is referred to as a continuous load. Remember, 3 hours or more. Question M, define AHJ. AHJ stands for authority having jurisdiction, and that would be the electrical inspector or the code official. Question N, list 2 NRTLs. Remember, NRTL stands for Nationally Recognized Testing Laboratory. 2 most common ones, UL Underwriters Laboratory and CSA, the Canadian Standards Association. Question O, what does GFCI stand for? Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. That would be available either as a receptacle or as a circuit breaker. Take a look for these in your home, in bathrooms and in kitchen areas, anywhere water is located. Or for that matter, front and back porches if you have, or garages. And lastly, question P, I wanted you to draw the wiring diagram for 2 3-way switches. So we have draw the wiring diagram for 2 3-way switches that are supplied by a 120 volt branch circuit. We feed a 120 volt incandescent lamp, and I wanted you to label each of the conductors. So the switching arrangement, I would have the first 3-way here, the second 3-way here, the common where I have the hot conductor applied. The code refers to this as the ungrounded conductor. The 2 wires that travel between the first and second 3-way are called travelers. Here's the second common that would go to one side of the lamp, and then the neutral carries to the other side of the lamp, and the code refers to the neutral as the grounded conductor. Thank you.